Hello children, today we are going to see Geography chapter 3 Mineral and Power Resources. What is mineral? Rocks on our earth have some materials. That materials are called minerals. So they are scattered throughout the rock's crust. So naturally occurring substance with chemical composition is called minerals. So they are concentrated in a particular area or rock formations. Sometimes it is deposited in particular area which are not accessible like Arctic wet ocean and Antarctica. So minerals are also different types based on geological environment under varying conditions. They can be identified with the human intervention. So based upon their size, color, hardness and also chemical properties such as solubility. So minerals have more than 3000 types. So on the basis of composition, mineral can be classified into metallic and non-metallic. Metallic minerals which have metal in raw form. Example, iron ore, bauxite, etc. So this metallic minerals again classified into ferrous and non-ferrous. So ferrous minerals have iron, whereas non-ferrous do not have iron. So ferrous materials have iron, for example, iron ore, chromite, etc. And non-ferrous do not have iron composition but have some metals like gold, silver, etc. Next one is a non-metallic minerals do not have metal in that non-metallic. For example, mica, gypsums, or example. These are the different types of minerals. Extracted in various ways. Mining, drilling, quarrying. The process of taking out minerals from rocks under Earth's surface called mining. It has a open cast and soft. Open cast mining and soft mining. Minerals lie at shallow depth are taken by removing the surface area is called open cast. Deep bores are called shaft mining. Even natural gas and petroleum are used by this mining. Next one is deep wells are bored in drilling. The next one is quarrying. The minerals lie near the surface area. Simply by ducking out the process, minerals are taken out. That is called a quarry. So these are the various ways in which we are extracting a mineral. So minerals occur in different forms of rocks. So they are occur in igneous rocks, metamorphic rocks, and sedimentary rocks. So minerals or some type of metallic minerals are found in igneous rocks, and non-metallic minerals are found in sedimentary rocks. Even petroleum and coal are also found in sedimentary strata. So likewise, minerals are distributed in different forms of rocks. The next we will see the distribution of minerals in a continent-wise. Asia. India and China have the largest producer of iron ore. Even China, Indonesia are the leading producer of tin. Then next Europe. So So Europe is the largest producer of iron ore. Then North America. North America is commonly divided into three regions: Canadian region, Appalachian region, and Mountain region. In Canadian region, iron ore are found. Appalachian region, coal are found. Then Mountain region, nickel, copper, lead, silver are found in Mountain region. So mineral wise, the North America is divided into three regions. Next, South America. Brazil is the leading producer of iron ore, whereas Chile and Peru are the leading producer of copper. The next one is Australia. Australia is the leading producer of bauxite in the world. And next is Antarctica. Gold, silver, iron ore and oil are also present in Antarctica, that also used for the commercial purposes. So likewise, minerals are deposited in different places, and also different continents are the leading producer of different types of minerals. Let us see the distribution of minerals in India. Iron. So India has deposited a high-grade iron ores. It is found in Jharkhand, Orissa, Chhattisgarh, Madhya Pradesh, Goa. The next one is mica. Mica is also deposited in Jharkhand, Madhya Pradesh, and Orissa. Copper. So copper is also deposited in mainly in Rajasthan, Madhya Pradesh, Bihar. Bauxite found in Chhattisgarh, Orissa, Karnataka, Madhya Pradesh. Manganese also found in the Chhattisgarh, Orissa, Jharkhand, these places. Even Madhya Pradesh and Maharashtra and Andhra Pradesh also. Then coal. So Kolar in Karnataka is very famous. It is also deepest mine in the world. Salt obtained from the sea, lakes and rocks. So India is a leading producer of salt in the world. So today we have seen what is mineral, different types of minerals, and where we have extracted the minerals, and the distribution of minerals in various continents, and distribution of minerals in India. Thank you, children. Tomorrow we will see the uses of minerals and the conservation of minerals.